How to open Moneygram account. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can open a Moneygram account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you would like to open up a Moneygram account, it's actually very simple. First of all, just open your browser and go to moneygram.com, and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface, where over here you'll be able to see many type of options. You just need to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side, and then here you'll find this option called login. But basically what you want to do is just make sure to tap the sign up option here. As you tap the sign up button, it will ask you to simply enter other details. So I want you to go ahead and then make sure to enter your email address, your password, your phone number, and so on. Once you've done that, agree to the terms and conditions, tap the next option, and your Moneygram account will get successfully created. That's basically it on how you can create or sign up for Moneygram account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.